View from the front. It's cold and windy and snowy today. That's Lanny's house. There's a road out there somewhere. It's got tracks in it. I don't really know. Oh, there goes a little bird. Don't really know how deep it is, but it's coming down big fluffy flakes. See if I can get it to show the flakes. Really coming down.